Hello everybody, my name is BDFOS and welcome back to a brand new Alt MOC. Today we're converting 42168's vintage tipper truck into a jet plane. Our first non-vehicle, it's an aircraft today, coming in at 263 pieces across 112 steps. So divide that, you get an average of 2.3 pieces per section for today's jet plane. This is our smallest MOC for 42168, and some features include a retractable landing gear, air intakes and jet engine can move, and the covers of the jet engine can be opened to reveal the engine gears in motion. So I'm looking forward to building this. Let's strip the vintage tipper truck apart, put the pieces in the recording tubs, and get to today's conversion 42168's jet plane. Enjoy. This is a full-on complete conversion from 42168's vintage tipper truck into the jet plane, and it looks cool, but a building experience, I'll be honest, I didn't enjoy it. Too many finicky bits, that's my new word, doesn't all like to go together easily. It took over an hour and 15 minutes to build this 260 odd piece set. It just wasn't a fun, enjoyable building experience for me personally. But there is some pretty cool end results, which I'll get to. The start, I was really not a fan of this underneath bit here, where you have to cut all these little bits here. It just wasn't fun. Let's look at the positives. We have got a pretty cool looking jet. You can open up these sides here. You can have a look at the cogs that work on the inside via this little mechanism here. Have a little look. If you pull this piece out here, you have got the landing gear, which I think is pretty cool. A few bits in the spare parts will don't actually exist and might have to be used as part of a different set. Other than that, it's a cool looking set. For me personally, from a building point of view, I think the actual set itself, as an end result, does look pretty good. As I'll always say about every set, whether I like it or not, I appreciate the thought and the idea. It's not a bad looking set by any means. It's just for me, building it was, yeah, subpar. Hopefully the next sets will be much better from a building point of view. Always leave your thoughts down below, and if you like, subscribe if you're new. How do you feel about the jet airplane? Do you like it? Do you hate it? Personally, like I said, not for me, but maybe you like it. Maybe you had a better building experience. Let me know how you feel about it down below. And with that said, I've been BDF018. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next build. Take care.